Hi guys, and today we're gonna see the construction update for Alisa Pool Villas. Let's go check it out. So we're gonna go check out Villa 4 today. This is the current show unit that will be available. As you can see, we just walked past Villa 1, 2, and 3, which is currently under construction. The first two villas have been completed already. And here we are. And now we'll be entering Villa 4. So this is the current show unit available. It's about 80% complete. So with just another 20% to go, we're hopefully gonna see it complete within a month and a bit. So as you can see on the first floor, you have your own private swimming pool with 2 fountains. You have the master bedroom over there, which we're gonna go check out in a minute. And the villa is 2 stories, 3 bedrooms, and 4 bathrooms. Let's go. This is the kitchen area. It's currently being constructed. You can see the staff currently fitting everything in. And over here we have the grand living space. As you can see, it's very grandeur style. We have the beautiful lanterns, which gives it a little taste of traditional Thai meets modern. And now we're entering the master bedroom. So once everything's settled in, this will be your master bedroom with your own ensuite bathroom. This comes with a private jacuzzi or bath, whatever you'd like to call it, and spacious showering area. All right, let's head upstairs. So before entering your second floor, we have the private balcony where you can enjoy either gardening or your own barbecue with friends and family. And the breeze is beautiful here. All right, let's go back inside. Here you can find the second bedroom with its ensuite bathroom. And moving on, we'll go to the third bedroom. Here we have the third bedroom, which has also a private balcony, very spacious, big bedroom area, and its own ensuite bathroom as well. So that completes our construction update for the Alisa Pool Villas located in Sharjah Lake. If you're interested for more details, please reach out to us and contact us in the details below. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.